Namaste, welcome to Bhavna's Kitchen. Today I'm making another khichdi recipe. I have already shared so many flavors of khichdi and today's khichdi is going to be Tuvar Lilwa Methini khichdi. Tuvar Lilwa is a pigeon peas and methi leaves, fenugreek leaves. My garden is blooming with Tuvar Lilwa pigeon peas and fenugreek leaves methi. Look at all the pigeon peas. And Tuvar methi is my favorite combination that I love to make handwo, bakra also known as, or tuvar methini bakri, and today I'm making tuvar methini khichdi. So let's begin. Here I have half cup of rice, chawal, 1 cup of tuvar, pigeon peas, some methi leaves, about 1 bunch, ginger, garlic and green chili paste, adrak, lasan, hari mirch, oil, salt, namak as per your taste. From the spice box, turmeric powder, haldi, and ground coriander, cumin, dhania jeera powder. I also prefer to add a little bit of ghee and water. Wash rice really well. Chop methi, fenugreek leaves very fine, so I'm using here chopper. And here is the methi ready. Heat up the pressure cooker pot. Add oil and ghee, clarified butter. When the oil is hot, add cumin seeds, jeera, haldi, turmeric powder, ginger, garlic, green chili paste, add pigeon peas, tuvar, lilwa, methi, fenugreek leaves, and give it a stir. Add coriander, cumin powder, dhania jeera powder, salt to taste, नमक, और अब इसमें डाल देंगे चावल, rice, and 2 cups of water. Look at this yummy looking color. Cover the pressure cooker with the whistle on, and here about 4 to 5 whistles. If you prefer stew kind khichdi, you can add a little bit more water, and here about 5 to 6 whistles instead of 3 to 4 whistles. Khichdi is a very comfort food. You can just use one single pot and prepare quick and easy khichdi recipes in no time. And these days you can use a lot of options for the ingredients. If you don't want to use just the rice, there are so many other varieties that you can use to prepare khichdi. To me personally, khichdis are not just nutritious but also very delicious. Alright, I already heard 4 whistles and I allowed pressure cooker to cool down naturally. Just release any pressure left in there before opening, and open the pressure cooker carefully. Alright, look at this yummy looking khichdi. You can now serve this khichdi with curry, or you can just simply just eat as it is. Tastes amazing. And also you can serve with the plain yogurt if you don't want to make curry, or to go with you can use achar, pickle, and papad, of course, that has to be there. I simply love the color. Amazing, must try recipe. If you can get hold of fresh tuvar lilwa and methini bhaji, this is the recipe you want to make. And if you don't have fresh tuvar lilwa, you can also use frozen one. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. And For more details, tips, tricks, and ideas in the kitchen, you can always visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com. Thank you for watching and see you soon.